Hi guys, Mncedisi Nyathi here. Thanks for tuning in once again. We are at the farm. We just arrived from Ngobulawayo, so the guys are telling us that the rain stopped at 5 a.m. this morning and it's all green, it's looking good. Yeah, but the rains bring about a lot of diseases. One downside of the rains is that they bring about a lot of parasites. This goat is limping. Every step it takes is hesitant and painful. This poor goat is suffering from foot rot, a bacterial infection that thrives in wet and muddy conditions. The infection starts between the toes and can spread to the hooves, causing severe discomfort and pain. It's usually caused by a combination of bacteria and moist environments. So, to prevent foot rot, a goat structure has to be raised, elevated off the ground. The raised structure is more than just an architectural choice, it's a crucial defense against foot rot. By lifting the goat house, we ensure that the flooring stays dry and clean, even during the rainy season. Goats can escape the damp, muddy conditions that harbor the bacteria responsible for foot rot. With a raised goat house, the risk of infection goes down. The dry environment helps keep their hooves healthy. A raised goat house is a smart investment in the health and happiness of our goats, offering them a dry, comfortable refuge while minimizing the risk of painful foot rot. So, this is what we will be doing today at the farm, raising our goat structure off the ground.
Njani? Akhululeka ona thathela ngapha. Ungaphothi ngapha. Lapho ungcono ulula lapha. Ngiyakuthatha mbijana sisahali, uthathe mbijana sisahali. Anti yabo. Ukhathana. Very fast la. Lapha ufast ngoba uyakuthatha. Isisawole senza.
Ngafiwa lapha. Sebenza wakhona uthafu ekhaya ngapha. Yeah. Ngiyilahla ukuchiphanga sibili. But yeah, so these are the droppers that we are going to be using in our goat pen. We want to elevate our goat pen because when it's raining like this, it gets muddy, and goats and mud, goats and water don't mix. So goats don't do well when it's raining or when it's humid. Goats prefer dryness. Dry ground. Goats prefer dryness. They do very well when it's dry. Goats do well in deserts. Goats are very climate smart. So yeah, we're trying to elevate our goat pen and see how we can do it.
Thakaliyawo. Sasifuna lesiyana kathesi. Hayi, singabi ningi kodwa sisafuna phela kuqale kubuye lesiyana kakhulu. Asifune phela. Nona ngaka. Zonke zona sesikhona ngathi.
So we will use dead mopane wood to elevate our goat pen, particularly mopane wood because it is hardy and readily available. Literally, there is hundreds and hundreds of mopane trees in our farm, so we take advantage of these natural resources that God has blessed us with. Mopane wood is naturally resistant to termites and decay, making it a durable choice for constructing a raised structure. This ensures longevity and stability for our goat pen, providing a secure and elevated platform for our goats to escape wet and muddy conditions. By elevating the goat pen with mopane wood, we create a dry environment that helps prevent foot rot and other infections. Moreover, mopane wood's strength and resilience means that it can withstand the weight and activity of the goats. Mopane wood is incredibly versatile and valuable in our region. Not only is it perfect for elevating goat pens, but it also plays a crucial role in constructing various structures. We use mopane wood to build sturdy kraals that can withstand the elements and protect our livestock. It's also a popular choice for constructing houses, chicken coops. We even fenced our farm using mopane wood. Its utility extends to almost every aspect of rural construction, making it an indispensable resource. Whether it's for fencing, sheds, or other outbuildings, mopane wood proves its worth time and time again.
Isize uyayazi indoda ungamesha. Ungatshonisi kakhulu nje.
Yeah, so right.
Yeah, so right.
Then umeasure lezinye ngesimbo sakho.
Yeah. Yeah, so ebhaqweni. That's right. Naso. Khona
Uyitshayele ngamehlo.
Bakhona uku-check-a yedwa.
khona
Utanuya.
Hayi lapho ku-right akume ngomsale foni. Kumele senzeni la senze okusuka ngalo sindala.
Yebutara.
Hayi lesi ayinajijela ndise siyakhona.
Amachara abantu bawo lokho. Akujije ngiyazamujayela.
Asebenzisa into ayijela. Awungaliphini kuma 111. Ungene Yeah, no shit. So, time the left eating more there.
No.
Yeah, then is a children.
Yeah. Look again.
So, look inside.
Roofing our goat pen is more than a finishing touch. It's a crucial aspect of providing a safe and healthy environment for our goats. A roof shields the pen from the elements. During the rainy season now, roofing prevents the pen from becoming waterlogged and muddy, which significantly reduces the risk of foot rot and other infections. Goats are very hardy animals. They can go through a lot and survive even under the harshest of conditions. But their weakest link is their sensitivity to wet and damp conditions. Roofing also helps during the hot summer months. A roof provides essential shade, protecting the goats from the intense heat and reducing the risk of heat stress. A roof also safeguards the goats from predators. An eagle, for example, can swoop in and snatch kids, but when there is a roof over the kids, the eagle can't snatch them. Heavy rains, strong winds, and even hailstorms can cause stress and injury to livestock, but a steady roof offers protection against these threats, ensuring that the goats remain safe and comfortable. So, roofing a goat pen is a wise investment in the well-being of our goats. It provides protection from the elements, predators, and harsh weather. Our goats will thrive in a sheltered, dry, and comfortable environment. During the rainy season, goats instinctively gravitate towards rocky terrains instead of wet soil. This natural preference is a survival strategy. Rocks provide a dry, stable surface protecting the goat's hooves from the damp, muddy conditions. When the ground is saturated with water, it creates an ideal environment for harmful bacteria to thrive. By seeking out rocky areas, goats can avoid prolonged exposure to these conditions, keeping their hooves healthy and dry. So when they are out there, they spend most of their time on rocky places that are dry. When they come to the pen, they sleep on the elevated floor, which is dry as well. So we are highly likely to overcome foot rot. 3 o'clock. Thank you so much for joining us today at Zwangendaba. It's your boy Mncedisi Nyathi. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing will push this channel further. Please do subscribe, share, like, and everything else. Bye-bye.